saya Salman, Fareez, rafiq. Nomor pendaftaran saya adalah 05 DKA 19 F2058 dari DKA Section 3. Hari ini saya ingin menceritakan tentang Topcon GM50 Total Station. What is a total station? A total station is optical instrument commonly used in construction, surveying, and civil engineering. It is useful for measurement horizontal angle, vertical angle, and distance. It does this by analyzing the slope between itself and specific point. A high-quality total station camera combines surveying, imaging, and high-speed 3D scanning into one precise, reliable instrument. It blends the latest field technologies with advanced technical features to create a tool that is trusted and dependably in demanding field situation while producing accurate results for analyzing engineering. Total station often contain a few different components: electronic transit, theodolite, electronic distance meter, microsensor, electronic data collector and storage system, and last, operator often use total station with additional equipment as well, including tripod, trip-brush, reflector, pole, and frames. Topcon GM50. The GM50 series is the perfect entry-level site layout for survey tool, offering reliability and flexibility without sacrifice functionality. The select design is built up with a waterproof and dustproof IP66 rating, integrated Bluetooth capability, and internal antenna, enabling you to deliver measurement to your data controller wirelessly, streamlining your equipment weight and workflow. And lastly, the GM is also armed with a top line EDM, generous internal memory storage, and SDR basic onboarding software with everything you need to get the job done out of the field. Specification: angle measurement, resolution accurate is 2 degree until 5 degree. May display 1 until 5, 0.002 until 0.001, 0.005, and 0.02. Dual axis compensator. Dual axis liquid lead sensor working range. Confirm angle measurement. Main resolution 2 until 5. Main display 1, 5. Dual axis compensator. Dual axis liquid tilt sensor working range 6 degree. Collimation on off. Syllable. Distance measurement. Praise EDM range 4000 meter. Frames EDM accurate 1.5 mm until plus 2 ppm. Non-frames range 500 meter. Non-frames accurate 2.0 mm plus 2 ppm. Measurement time fine is 0.9 second. Repeat is 0.6 and tracking is 0.4. Communication Bluetooth class 1.5, operating range up to 10 meter. USB flash memory max 32 GB. Serial RS323, C USB 2.0, Type A for USB flash memory. General display graphic LCD 192 80 dot backlight on off selectably alphanumeric keyboard 28 key with a backlight. Battery operation up to 14 hour. Dash water rating IP66. Operating temperature is minus 20 degree to 60 degree. Ultra power advanced EDM 500 meter non-print range 4,000 meter print range. Coexist red laser pointer pinpoint print beam spot. Ultra power advanced EDM. Advanced angle accurate system. 2 or 5 angle accurate. Incorporation is it IAC independent angle calibration system on 2 degree and 5 degree model. Not waterproof design waterproof. Dust proof IP66 design handle to tough environment. Magnesium alloy housing providing stable angles accurate graphic display and alpha numeric keyboard precaution safety for the safe use of the product prevention of injury to operator and another person as well as prevention of prepared damage item which should be observed are indicated by an exclamation point with a triangle used with warning and caution statement in this instruction manual. The definition of the indication are listed below. Be sure you understand them before reading manual text. Definition of indication. Ignore this indication and making operation error could possibly result in death or serious injury in the operation. Caution. Ignore this indication and making operation error could possibly result in minor injury or probability damage. This symbol indicates a term for which a caution hazard warning inclusive is urgent specific detail are printed in or near the symbol. This symbol indicates item which the prohibit specific detail are printed in or near the symbol. The symbol indicated item which mean always be performed specific detail or printed in or near the symbol.
Warning. Do not use this unit area exposed to high amount of dust or ash. In area where there are indicated in ventilation or near combustible material and explosion could occur. Do not perform assembly or rebel fire, electric shock, bomb or hazard. Those radiation exposed could result. Never look at the sun through the telescope. Lost eyesight could result. Do not look at direct sunlight from the pens or another reflection object through the telescope. Loss of eyesight could be result. Direct viewing the sun using telescope during sun observation will cause loss of sight. Use solar filter option necessary for sun observation. When secure the instrument in the carrying case, make sure that all match include side case and close switcher to do not result in the instrument falling out while being carried cause injury. And the caution is do not use the carrying a case as a footstool. The case is slipper and unstable, so a person could be slip and fall off it. Do not place the instrument in a case with damaged cage. bear or handle. The case or instrument could be dropped and cause injury. Do not be lateral and plumb bob. A person could be injured if struck, because the handle main unit locking screw fell over secure the handle could result in the unit falling off while being carrying causing injury. Tighten the adjustment, check bash, jump securely, failure, or probably secure the jump could be in the falling off while being carried. And for basic operation, setting collimator, use setting collimator to aim the GM in the direction of the measurement point. Then the instrument unit, the triangle in the setting collimator is aligned with the target, a gun sight or mounted on face 2 position of the IM 55. I lift the telescope to the direction target in such a way the gun possibly with the target as shown below. Not that see the target at the distance horizontal direction and vertical direction. For instrument high mark, the height of the GM is the follow 92.5 mm from tree-base mounting surface to the disc mark, 236 mm from tree-base dish TR103R to this mark. Instrument height is input when setting instrument station data and the height from measurement point where they mounted to this mark. Laser point function. The target can be set with a red laser beam in the dark location without the using the telescope. The handle can be removed from the instrument when the prim is locked and is located the zenith attack. To remove it, loose the handle screw. Setting instrument up for measurement. Mounting the instrument to tripod level and can center the instrument. Press the ensure the base perform. Use tripod with a tripod screw of 5 until 8-inch diameter and 11 thread per inch, such as the type A Topcon wide frame wooden tripod. Mount the battery in the instrument before performing this operation, because this instrument will tell side of the battery mounted after leveling. Central procedure is center with the optical plummet eye space. Number 1 is make sure the leg are spaced at equal interval and the head approximately level. Set the tripod so that head position over the survey point. Make sure the tripod shoes are firmly fixed the ground. Number 2 is place the instrument on tripod head. Support it with one hand. Then center screw on the bottom of unit to make sure they secure to the tripod. And number 3 is looking through the optical plummet aside. Turn the optical plummet aside to focus on the rectangle. Turn the optical plummet focusing ring to focus on the survey point. And number 4, adjust the leveling foot screw to center the survey point in the optical parameter reticle. And lastly, continuous leveling procedure, see section 2.5.2 leveling. Distance measurement. Caution. When using the laser pointer function, be sure to turn off the output laser after distance measurement is complete. Even if distance measurement is cancelled, the laser pointer function is still operating and the laser beam will continue to be emitted. Make sure the target setting on the instrument matching the type of target used. GM automatically adjusts the intensity of the laser beam and switch the distance measurement display range to match the type of the target used. If the target does not correspond to the target setting, correct measurement result cannot be obtained. Accurate measurement result cannot be obtained if the object lens is dirty, dust is off it off with the lens brush first to remove minute particle, then after providing a little concentration by breathing on the lens, while it off with the silicone cloth. During reflectorless measurement, if an object obstruct the light beam used for measurement or an object positioned with a high reflective factor metal or white surface behind the target, accurate measurement result may may not be received. Scintillation may affect the accuracy of the measurement result. Should be accurate. Repeat measurement several times and use the average value of the obtained result. Thank you. That's all for me.